Hi, and welcome back to Northwoods Garage. So today we got another installation video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Today we're going to be installing the AFE intake elbow for my 6.0 Powerstroke. So let's get into it. Okay, the first thing we need to do is locate the stock factory intake elbow. So it's right here. So what we need to do is remove the 10mm bolt here, the 8 on either side, and then the 1/2 inch bolts right here to loosen the clamp up, so that way we can scoot this back, take this off, and pop the new one in.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Alright guys, now that we got the stock one off, had a little bit of trouble with the clamps, because, you know, they're just on there, the boot, but it wasn't a big deal. And then, yeah, so this is the stock intake elbow. See how there's no veins in there? It's not very good for airflow, just the way it's designed. But with this AFE, oh, you can tell it's much more heavy duty than the stock one. It's got the multi-vein intake in there, so it'll increase flow to the engine, which is what we want. More flow, more power, basically. And so we'll get this one put on, and I'll see you guys when I get it on. A couple things I forgot to mention with this AFE. These little set screws here, these are additional ports for either data logging or nitrous injection and stuff like that. So they just tighten down with a little Allen key, and they go right in here. Yeah, and then as well, they sent a blue thread locker for the new bolts that go on, and each bolt has a little washer that goes on as well. Alright, let's get it to putting this new one on.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make.
Alright, I don't know how good this lighting is right now, but I just got that air intake elbow put in from AFE. Yeah, it was a pretty easy install. Now that we got it in, hopefully the lighting's alright. Now that we got it in, let's give her a start and see if we see any leaks. And then if not, then we're going to take her for a test drive, and we'll see how she does. Hi, and welcome back. I apologize again for the lighting on this video. You know, with getting done with work at 4 and then hustling to try and get a new truck part put in by it gets dark, you know, the 40 minutes that I get to put it in just sometimes isn't enough, you know, to get home, put it in, you know, figure out what you're doing, film it all. it's kind of difficult. So I apologize for lighting. I should have grabbed a work light before I left work, maybe. But I ended up getting it in, as you saw, and I took it for the first test drive. And I must not have had the clamp tightened down hard enough. So the boot shot off within the first 1,000 feet of the house. But came home, clamped it down tighter, and got it put back on. I didn't film that part. Yeah, so after driving it for about 2 days now, I noticed increase in my fuel economy and right away, getting it put on, I noticed increase in boost pressure. I mean, it was almost instantaneous. I was building much more boost than I was before, and as a result, my fuel economy is going up because I'm, as much as my family likes to say that I'm an aggressive driver, I'm not as aggressive as they think, and I am more of a conservative driver. But yeah, so I do see an increase in fuel economy. Not saying that'll happen for everyone, because there's much more factors that go into it than, just putting this part on an instant fuel economy. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that I seen an increase because of the way I drive. So yeah, I see an increase in fuel economy, which is good because, diesel is more expensive than gas, and it's nice to see that you're spending a little bit less. So yeah, I got a good deal on this. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier in the video or not. I got a good deal on it. On the part, it's originally like $270, I think, on any site that you go on. It's like $264, $270, something like that with shipping. I ended up getting a good deal on it because of the display model. I'm a part of the 60 Forum group on Facebook, and Alex from Innovative Diesel actually hooked me up with this part. It was a display model that they had at their shop, and so I ended up getting it for around $125. Instantly, I am satisfied with the purchase. I mean, I think it's doing good things for the engine and good things for the pocketbook. I would definitely recommend getting this part to increase flow. I see it a lot. You can even hear it when I started it up for the first time. I could hear even now, you can hear the engine getting much more air than it was before. So I'm happy about that. I hope you guys enjoyed the install, and I hope that the lighting wasn't too bad for you. And hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, I'd appreciate if you left a thumbs up and subscribed. It really means a lot to me. And I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.
World of make-believe, kids screaming in their cradles, profanities.